Dan sells X cars, X number of cars, but Harry sells 5 more than whatever Dan's got. 5 more means add plus 5. So we're talking about Harry here. Harry has got 5 more than Dan, so it's X plus 5. And then Regan sells twice as many as Dan. Well, Dan is X, twice as many would be 2X. Write an expression in terms of X for the mean number of cars. Now, when we talk about mean, we mean total divided by the number of numbers. Right, so for example, okay, let me just use some numbers. Just let's pretend Dan happens to be 2, Harry happens to be 2 plus 5, 7, and Regan happens to be 2 times 2, 4. Now, if you wanted to find the mean of these numbers, you'd add them up and then divide by 3, wouldn't you? Because there are 3 numbers there. Well, we're going to do something similar. So we need to find the total. We need to find the total of these. So we need to add, collecting like terms. So here we go. 1x, add 1x at 2x is 4x. And then we just got the plus 5 by itself. Divided by, well, 3. Divide by 3. There you go. We've got an expression. An expression for the mean number of cars. In the diagram, all the measurements are given in centimeters, all angles, right angles, right. Show that the perimeter of the shape can be written as this. So what we need to do is to find the perimeter in terms of X. Perimeter means adding all the outsides, but you can see a lot of things are missing on the outside. This bit's missing. Now this bit over here has got something to do with this one and this one. Okay, they're all vertical, aren't they? They're all going up like this. So this thing over here, the missing bit over there, is going to be X add 2. I'm just going to put X add 2. Right, going the other way now. All of this is missing, which has something to do with 2x and the 3. That's 2. That's going to be 2x add 3. That gives you 2x plus 3 over here. Now let's find the perimeter in terms of x. That means adding. Let's add up the x terms and then we'll worry about the number terms later. So we've got 1x add 2x add 1x add 2x. Just making sure I've got all the x terms. That's going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6x. So I've added up all the x terms. Now I'm going to add up the number terms. But 2 add 3 add 2 add 3. Right, 2 add 3 is 5, 5 add 2 is 7, 7 add 3 is 10. Right, that is well, that doesn't quite look like that, does it? So you think, right, what can I do to that to make it look like this? They've both got brackets here, but there's no bracket over here. So the topic I'm thinking of is factorization. Factorization is the only thing that will put brackets back in. So let's factorize. Single bracket. The biggest number that goes into 6 and 10 happens to be 2. 2 times something to give me 6x is 3x. Look, that's what we got over here. Right, 2 times something to give me 10, that's 5. Right, we've got exactly what we wanted. This thing over here looks like what they wanted. Right, that's our answer.